Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is OTC market, NZD USD pair. Okay, this is a uptrend market. Okay, we'll place a higher option. There is a level. You can see there is a level, and this is also uptrend market. Very strong buyer's entry. This only retracement candle, and there is a level also. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. Let's see the result. Okay, 10 seconds more. Okay, this is a winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option. Okay, we'll place a higher option, and this is a head and shoulder pattern. You can see there is a buyer some interested, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. Okay, there is no buyer's entry. Okay, I will place a lower option. And one more trade also. You can see this is a buyer's area does not respect the level. This is a buyer's area does not respect the level. This buyer's area, this also does not respect the level. That's the reason I will place a lower option. It's very simple. Okay. Okay, let's see the result. Check the next pair. Okay, this is some confusion. You can see this is also winning trade. Okay, there is no opportunity. Okay, I will place a higher option. And this is a little bit late entry, but I will expect a candle close above my entry point. Why? Because this is a strong level. You can see strong buyer's entry, strong buyer's entry, strong buyer's entry. Again, I will expect a strong buyer's entry. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. Okay, 5 seconds more. Okay, this is also winning trade. You can see this is a strong buyer's entry. We'll check the next pair. Okay, I will place a higher option. This is a 50-50 chances. And I will see the two Marbuji candles. And this is a strong momentum. So I will expect some buyers or make a retracement candle. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. But there is a 50-50 chances only. You can see some buyers are interested here. Okay, 10 seconds more. Okay, I can use only candlestick psychology. So I don't use this level, not a technical levels, I mean support and resistance levels. Okay, sometimes are you can expected the only psychological thinkings. Okay, so I will check the next pair. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay, this is some buyer's area. You can see some buyer's entry, some buyer's entry. After some buyer's entry, at least make a one bullish candle. This is 4 bullish candles, but this my late entry. Let's see the result. Okay, this is also winning trade. Let's check the next pair. Okay, this is a late entry. Okay, I'm not a confident this trade. Okay, strong sellers entry, weak sellers entry, strong buyers entry. There is a level, it's broke the level. Okay, I will check the level, and there is a level. Okay, I will place here some marginal safety trade. Wow. Okay, I will place a lower option. I will expected candle close a bearish candle. Why? Because there is some rejection at the levels. I will saw this level, so that's the reason I will place a lower option. And this is a single candle after the momentum. You can see. Okay, this is also winning trade. You can see there is a strong rejection at the level. So this reason used for at the level, that's the reason I will place a lower option. And this is also winning trade. I will place a 6 trades, all are winning trades. I hope you, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested joining my Telegram course, don't waste your time and quick joining my Telegram course, quick learning, quick earning. Okay, thank you.